Hello everyone, this is Fun for Kids. Today we are going to open 7 surprise eggs. We have 6 smaller ones and then we have 1 big surprise. 2 Mickey Mouse surprises from Disney. 2 surprises from Cars Disney. 2 surprises from Disney Princess Palace Pet. 1 big surprise from Kinder Disney Princess. We're going to start with the 2 Mickey Mouse eggs. Let's get started. Our first egg, Mickey Mouse. Inside we have the flyer, we have some candy, and the surprise. A Mickey Mouse bracelet. Play hard. Let's go for our second Mickey Mouse egg. Let's see what we have inside this one. Looks like we have the flyer. The flyer is showing us that there are 4 different bracelets to be collected with 4 different motifs. We have the candy and a Mickey Mouse bracelet, this time with a different picture and a different message. Ready for action. Next we will open our first egg from Cars. Okay. We have, first of all, candy. Same candy, hard candy. Flyer showing us the 4 different bracelets that we can collect from Cars, and the surprise bracelet, metallic shiny. We have Mater in the middle, Lightning McQueen, Francesco, here we go, our second egg from Cars. Okay, more candy. Flyer and our bracelet. Our bracelet this time is the same as the one we just opened, exactly the same. And now let's open this egg from Disney Princess. I'm guessing it will also contain a bracelet, as that seems to be what we're getting. We have the candy, same candy. We have the flyer, showing us the 4 different bracelets that we can find, and our bracelet from Disney Princess, Palace Pets. Pretty. Our second egg from Disney Princess. Okay, we got the candy, the flyer, and the bracelet. Looks like the same one. Yes, it is. So we got the same one again. Same bracelet as in the other egg. Moving on to our big surprise egg. I hope we get a little figure or something. Wow. Big chocolate egg. Cracked already. So we got big chocolate egg, this nice Kinder chocolate. And here we have the surprise. Let's see what we have inside this one. Okay. We have a figure. First we have a description. This is Ariel. And here we have the description of how to put her together. So we got the different pieces, and now we're going to put Ariel together. We got some stickers and a comb for our hair. We'll get the sticker on. And there we go, ready to put on for a real princess. And now for Ariel. So we fold the dress like that, and we put on the body. Look how pretty she is now. Now this is what we got from our 7 eggs today. We got the candy, we got 6 bracelets, 2 Mickey Mouse, 2 cars, and 2 Disney Princess, Palace Pets. And from our big surprise egg we got some chocolate, of course, the Ariel figure, and a comb for our hair. And this is all we have from Fun for Kids today. Thank you for watching. See you soon.